Have you ever imagined that something as ordinary as breast milk could be the ultimate secret weapon in our fight against cancer? What if I told you that hidden in every drop, tucked away in the very nature of this miracle liquid, is an untapped reservoir of healing power that might just turn the tables on one of humanity's deadliest diseases? Imagine a substance that not only nourishes newborns, but also contains a potent cocktail of bioactive compounds, immune-boosting agents, and natural antibodies, all refined by nature over millennia. Just think about it. In every nourishing sip lies a universe of possibilities that could challenge conventional medicine and spark a revolution in how we understand natural healing. I'm talking about research so bold and groundbreaking that it feels more at home in a blockbuster movie than in a science journal. Today, you're about to embark on a journey into the surprising depths of breast milk, an exploration that will have you questioning everything you thought you knew about health and nutrition. Picture headlines screaming, "Breast milk, the unlikely hero in the battle against cancer." It almost sounds too wild to be true, but trust me when I say that the reality is even more jaw-dropping. In this video, every sentence is designed to set your mind ablaze with possibility and challenge the limits of what you believe is possible. So get ready to have your assumptions shattered and your curiosity ignited, because we're about to unlock a secret that could rewrite the rules of modern medicine. All right, everyone, let's dive headfirst into the heart of the matter. Meet Hamlet. Yes, you heard that right. Hamlet stands for human alpha-lactalbumin made lethal to tumor cells, and it's the ultimate game changer hidden in plain sight. Think about it for a second. Something as familiar and nurturing as breast milk isn't just feeding your body. It could also be arming it with one of nature's most extraordinary weapons against cancer. Imagine your everyday nutritional powerhouse flipping the script and transforming into a microscopic superhero. When the protein in breast milk, alpha-lactalbumin, teams up with other components and undergoes a dramatic change, it morphs into Hamlet, a potent molecule that can target and eradicate cancer cells with laser-like precision. It's like watching Clark Kent reveal his superpowers, only this transformation happens at a cellular level. Hamlet isn't about brute force, it's about finesse and surgical precision. It's as if nature gave this protein a secret identity, allowing it to go unnoticed until it's activated, at which point it launches a covert operation against the rogue cancer cells invading your body. Picture it. A gentle, life-sustaining substance turning on its side to become an undercover operative in the war against disease. Researchers have been stunned by Hamlet's dual personality, as it proves that something designed to nurture can also be weaponized against the very thing that threatens our lives. This protein challenges everything we thought we knew about biology and medicine. Instead of relying solely on harsh treatments, Hamlet opens up an entirely new perspective where our own natural compounds can be refined into precision-guided missiles against cancer. It's a paradigm shift, a revelation that hidden within our bodies could be the key to unlocking treatments that are as natural as they are potent. Every breakthrough study on Hamlet is like turning a page in the most exciting science thriller ever written. We're not just talking about a simple protein here. This is about a revolutionary concept that might one day change how we approach cancer treatment forever. Now, let's break down exactly how Hamlet works its magic. Picture this. Imagine a stealthy ninja in a high-stakes mission inside your body. When Hamlet is activated, it swoops into action like a covert operative meticulously scanning for the enemy, cancer cells that threaten to disrupt the peace. Unlike traditional treatments that often wreak collateral damage, Hamlet goes straight for the target. It recognizes subtle signals, almost like a built-in radar that distinguish cancerous cells from healthy ones. Think of it as having a pair of night vision goggles in a dark room where only the bad actors light up. Once Hamlet locks onto its target, it initiates an internal chain reaction that's as precise as a perfectly choreographed domino effect. Imagine a single, tiny push that causes a cascade of events. This is what Hamlet does at the molecular level. It penetrates the cancer cell and triggers a process that essentially tells the cell, time to self-destruct. And here's where it gets even more remarkable. This process spares the good cells, like using a pinpoint laser instead of a wide-sweeping sledgehammer. We're talking about a surgical strike on a microscopic battlefield. Visualize a scenario where you have an elite tactical team sneaking into a fortress. Every team member has a specific target, and each maneuver is calculated precisely to disable the enemy without disturbing the rest of the structure. That's exactly how Hamlet behaves. It disrupts the inner workings of a cancer cell, causing it to cancel its own operations and collapse from the inside out. This mode of attack is groundbreaking because it harnesses the body's own natural components, reducing the need for treatments that bring along harsh side effects. Instead, Hamlet uses a method that is as elegant as it is effective, demonstrating nature's uncanny ability to design solutions that are both powerful and precise. As we peel back each scientific layer, you begin to see that this isn't just another chemical reaction. It's a full-scale precision strike orchestrated by one of the most intriguing proteins nature has ever produced. Now, imagine the real-world impact of a breakthrough like this. What if cancer treatments could step away from the brutal side effects of chemotherapy and radiation and instead harness the power of a natural body-derived compound? Hamlet represents that vision, a future where cancer is targeted with pinpoint accuracy, and treatment becomes more about nurturing the body rather than waging an all-out war against it. In clinical settings, this protein has already shown its mettle by selectively attacking tumor cells, which means patients could soon see therapies that minimize the harsh collateral damage typical of conventional treatments. Think about it. Fewer hospital stays, less time fighting off secondary complications, and more time reclaiming life. This isn't just an incremental improvement, it's a paradigm shift in medicine. With the promise of Hamlet, we're talking about a future where personalized medicine isn't just a buzzword, but a reality. Doctors could use therapies that are as natural as the milk that nourished us as infants, tapping into our own biological arsenal to fight off disease. Imagine the ripple effect. Reduced treatment costs, streamlined healthcare systems, and most importantly, a dramatic improvement in quality of life for millions of cancer patients around the globe. The implications are huge. Not only could we see dramatically improved survival rates, but the emotional and social burdens of cancer might finally start to lift. Investors, healthcare providers, and regulatory bodies are taking note of this natural powerhouse because it promises to turn the conventional approach to cancer treatment on its head. It's not just a treatment, it's a revolution that could redefine our entire approach to battling one of humanity's toughest foes. Just think, the next breakthrough in medicine might be hidden in something as simple and as fundamental as breast milk. And that thought alone is enough to fuel a future where hope and healing go hand in hand.